There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Chrysler 300C in bright white. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, high-performance four-wheel independent suspension, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, remote start system, active exhaust, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 600 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 9106A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.